Maligayang pagbabalik sa Good Morning Boss. Kaya naman mga boss, alamin natin itong nagbukas ng mall dyan sa may Quezon Avenue. Murang-mura daw ang presyo ng mga isda dyan, kaya tunghayan natin ng lahat sa special feature.
Good morning mga boss! Isa sa mga pinakahihiligang libangan ng mga Pilipino ay ang pamamasyal at pamimili. At sa mga lugar na madalas napuntahan ay hindi pa huli ang mga mall. Kamakailan ay pinasinayaan ng Fisher Mall, ang isa sa pinakabagong mall sa Metro Manila na matatagpuan sa Quezon City. Pagdating sa design, facilities, and amenities ay talaga nga namang masasabing komportable, safe, unique, at world-class ang dating.
Each and everyone has its own share. We've been meeting for the past many months and years on how to do a mall that will make everyone happy.
Our air conditioning also here is another thing that's over-designed. We want to keep people as cool as possible, as relaxed. We don't want any times of fluctuation. That's why even my father, when he designed the gensets here, he made sure it's 110% overpowered. So that's what we want. Most of the industries want 80-90%. My dad wanted 110%. Wanted to make sure that everyone attended in power and everything is nice, crisp, and cool.
Pagdating naman sa kalidad ng kanilang mga produkto at sa presyo ng mga ito, hindi rin naman ito nalalayo sa affordability tulad ng mga nasa ibang mga mall.
Yeah, it starts with the supermarket. It's selling fish lower than wet market and fresher than wet market. We're supplying about 30% of the galunggong in the market. So any fish you can buy in wet market cannot be as fresh and cannot be as cheap as our fish here. And we have also very good vegetables and fruits. Second, malaki our entertainment area, Playland. As of today, it could be the largest in the industry. And our gym is very practical gym.
The mall basically is a throwback to our original business. And we can't go forward without knowing where we come from. And as we said, this mall is basically the mall that Galunggong built. Because that's our main line, our main fishing business is local. And you want to provide a Filipino with what they need most, which is Galunggong. Seafood, something that's healthy and something that's affordable. And just like everything in this mall, it is affordable.
Our produce, I can promise you, is very, very fresh and very competitively priced. Such as our onions, our basics, our garlic. It's very, very cheap. Even cheaper than local supermarkets. So I think you'd be pleasantly surprised by how fresh and how cheap our produce is.
Pagdating naman sa fashion items, makasisigurong maganda at high fashion ang kanilang mga offers.
Well, I've always been on the lookout for great finds. What do you usually look for in a store, right? So you look for style, value for money, and quality. So that's basically what Fisher Fashion Store is all about.
Kaya naman kung gusto mo makamura at maranasan ang high-end lifestyle, ang lugar na ito ay para sa iyo.
I'm sure you'll have fun whether you drink, you shop, or simply play in our Playland, or you buy any kind of thing you have in mind. You'll get your money's worth, and I hope more.